And hello everybody, welcome to CRBB with Rashid. CRBB is key or twee as some people say it in Australia thing. Okay, so when I say CRBB, I mean learn something with Rashid. And that's what this whole channel is about. On this channel, I simply learn. I learn and I try to teach what I've learned, or I invite people that know obviously way more than I do, and I learn from them as well. So today, I'm going to teach how to use Ansible to install Docker on 6 servers. Now I know I said I was going to install it on 7 servers, but I don't know, I just thought 7 servers sounds better than 6 servers. I have my servers already set up. There's right here, they're all right here. They're all running on the Google Cloud platform. Docker is a containerization tool, okay, and it's practically used by so many developers today. Okay, now I want to set up a Kubernetes cluster. Ultimately, that's what I want to do. And to do that, I want to use Docker as my container engine. But I don't want to SSH into all my servers just to run a Docker installation script. I feel like that is stress. And I can automate that. So that is what this whole video is about. The only issue is I did not know how to do it. Now that I've learned it, I want to teach you guys how I did it. Okay, now Ansible is an IT automation tool developed by, I believe, Red Hat. You can Google them and check them out. And essentially, what they do is they allow you to create a master node and a bunch of control nodes. Now you use the master node to control the control nodes pretty much. So if you have commands that you want to execute on these control nodes, you can use the master nodes to execute them pretty much. All of the nodes, and it does that for you. In this case, I want to have a script that installs Docker for me, and I want to use a master node to copy this script onto the 6 other nodes and then install Docker or run this script. This is what the script looks like. If you look at cat install Docker, this is what the script looks like. I'm trying to run this script on the 6 other nodes. It's supposed to be 7, but yeah. But I don't want to go inside and then run this script on the 6 other nodes because it's repetitive and it's a waste of time. So what I'm going to do is try and use Ansible, like I already said, to copy this script onto the 6 other nodes and then execute the commands in the script. Now let's see how that can be done. The way Ansible does this is it uses playbooks. Okay, now each playbook has a bunch of plays in there, and each play has a bunch of tasks. Okay, so in our situation, what you're going to do is you're going to create one play, and that play will have 2 tasks. The first task is to copy the script to the 6 other servers, and then the second task is to execute the commands in the script. And I'll show you the playbook that I'm using for that. So the playbook the playbook is called Docker playbook.yahoo. Sorry, I will just cat Docker playbook right there. So this is my playbook. The first play I call play 1, and the hosts are essentially the 6 other servers. So you need to have an inventory. Ansible uses something called inventories. Each inventory is a text file, basically. A text file that contains the IPs of your control nodes. Okay, so yeah, that's what the remote service means. And then there's become, which means that you need to run whatever commands here as root. And then the user is Rashid. And these are the tasks, essentially. So what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to copy this script into the temporary folder of all the control nodes, okay? And then the second one, it's supposed to execute the commands in this script, okay? And it's supposed to use the command module to execute the commands in that script. Pretty easy. Now all we need to do right now is just execute this playbook and Docker will be installed very easy. As you can see, Docker is not installed. If you check on my nodes, Docker is not installed. Docker is installed. Anyway, okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, so Docker is not installed on any of these nodes. Okay, so after the execution of this playbook, I expect that Docker would be installed. Now let's execute the playbook. And it's a simple command, Ansible playbook. and then you tell us what playbook you're using, and then what remote service or what control nodes do you want to, execute the tasks on. So we use -I for inventory. Like I said, the inventory comprises of all the nodes that you want to run the commands on. So the inventory I'm using is the Docker inventory. Right there, execute. And you see the plays running. So for play 1, you see the first task. Gathering facts means it's gathering information about the different control nodes. We're not using any details of these control nodes yet, so that doesn't matter. And the second one is copying the installation script. So it already copied the script. And then the last one is installing Docker. There we go. So that's it. Now we need to check if Docker has indeed been installed. So let's jump into the service and let's try that out. Let's ask him. Has Docker been installed? Whoop, yes it has. Yep, there you go. So Docker has indeed been installed. Simply sampling 2 out of 6 servers. I'm sure it's been installed on all of them. There you go. So that's simply how to install Docker on 6 servers or 7 servers, whatever. So you just need a playbook. That's all you need, and you need to know what to put in there. Just put in the tasks and you're good to go. Use the web modules and you're done. So if ever you need to install some software on 100 servers, please just use Ansible. Don't SSH into 100 servers only to install one piece of software. Don't waste your time. Anyways, that's it for me. Catch you guys in the next one.